Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the theme of your website in Elementor. So as you can see, I'm currently in my website. So there are multiple ways in how you can change your theme for your website. It's just simply take your mouse and hover over a page and just simply click the plus icon over here, which will open this little window. Then over there you can just simply click the folder icon over here. Now it will open up a new window called library, and in this you will have multiple options in the pages, as you can see right over here. And if you want to add some simple blocks, you can just simply go to blocks and you can add simple blocks from over here. But we need complete full-on templates, so that will be found in pages. So as you can see, most of them are pro, means you have to get the paid version of Elementor, but I don't have that, so I will just simply choose one of the free ones. So let's see, for example, let's go with this one. So I will just simply click on that, then click insert over here, then just simply click get started. Then just simply log into your email ID and password. Then after doing that, just simply press connect, then press allow, then give it a few minutes, and as you can see, the theme has been into my website. So that's it. So that's how you can change your website theme from Elementor. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.